This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, October the 13th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a frontal system in the area producing some showers and isolated thunderstorms during the evening and overnight hours. With high pressure moving in from the west, that'll bring us some clear skies over the next couple of days. Watch morning map from around midnight. Some frost advisories over northeastern Colorado, a freeze warning in Idaho, gale watches over the Great Lakes. Otherwise, it was fairly quiet across the country. QPF chart, precipitation from Saturday evening through Monday evening. It'll be dry up until that point. This will be with a quick moving storm system that may bring a quarter to half an inch of rain, but as you'll see later, the GFS may say it's drier. Let's take a look at that GFS model run, the 0Z run at 1 p.m. today. See a trough digging in through the Great Lakes and into the south with a northwesterly flow aloft. At the surface, low pressure will be near Chicago. There could be some lingering showers across the eastern counties. They'll be light and widely scattered. Otherwise, it'll be clearing with highs in the 60s. Friday, same story. Maybe a few passing clouds, highs in the 60s to near 70 with mainly sunny skies above. Saturday, start off the weekend, looks to be pretty much picture perfect. Sunshine, a few afternoon clouds, highs in the 60s to low 70s after morning lows in the 40s. Sunday, we're supposed to have a system come through. The model shows it'll be north of us, where most of the moisture will be over Minnesota, Wisconsin, and into lower Michigan. So we'll have to see about that. Monday, another system to our north, producing some showers across the Dakotas and Minnesota, while we look to be staying dry. As we head into Tuesday, a frontal system will have moved through. This will be likely a Monday night event. Cool air filters in. Temperatures will be on Tuesday likely in the 50s, maybe lower 50s. Wednesday morning could be frosty. Temperatures could be in the upper 20s in the cooler valley locations, otherwise 30s statewide, with highs in the 50s to lower 60s. Week from today, that vortex over New England and the eastern Great Lakes, while we begin to slowly warm up with a bit of a flat ridge over the plains. At the surface, model wants to show maybe a few showers possible. It looks to be it'll remain dry with highs warming back up, maybe upper 50s to lower to middle 60s by that time. We look further into voodoo, October the 24th, trough over the Great Lakes states once again and into the Mississippi and Ohio valleys. Ridge pretty much over the Intermountain West. And at the surface, a 540 line diving well into the Ohio and middle Mississippi Valley, so we could have another frosty morning at that time with possibly thunderstorms along the eastern seaboard. And at the end of the forecast on October the 28th, pretty zonal flow with a trough out over the Pacific. Otherwise, it looks to be fairly benign across the country with a high pressure system over Minnesota and storm systems to our west and well to our south at that time. So, looks to get quiet once more. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.